In this video, I'm going to be performing a Rail Riders wheel swap on this 1971 Datsun Bluebird 510 wagon. This is from the 50th Favorites. It already comes with Rail Rider wheels, but they're just the plain black wheels with 4-spoke JDM rims. So we'll start by removing this and taking a look at the car before we start. Notice there's a small chip on the front paint tampon of the grille. We'll go ahead and fix that also at the same time. This wheel swap is actually a tire swap. What I want to do is pull the tires off of the rims. They come off rather easily. And once we get all four off, we're going to replace them with our new BF Goodrich Radial T aftermarket rubber tires that were made to directly replace the factory tires that were used on the 4-spoke Rail Rider wheels, which mainly appeared on the premium JDM cars beginning in about 2016, but were also used like on a custom Volkswagen Squareback and the 60s Fiat from the Car Culture air-cooled series. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.